Do you constantly face calendar sync delays between your desktop and mobile devices? We're here to help you fix that frustrating lag. Calendar synchronization issues can seriously impact your productivity. We'll introduce the problem of slow desktop to mobile calendar updates. The core problem is the noticeable lag between when you update your schedule on your desktop and when it finally reflects on your mobile device. Fast synchronization is crucial for timely meetings, accurate planning, and overall productivity. Let's make sure your schedule is always up to date. We'll start with the most common and easiest troubleshooting steps to resolve your sync delay. First, ensure both your desktop and mobile devices have a stable internet connection. A weak signal is often the culprit for delays. Next, verify that both your desktop and mobile calendar applications are running the latest version. Outdated software can cause sync issues. Let's move on to specific fixes for your desktop calendar application to encourage faster syncing. Locate and use the manual synchronization or refresh button within your desktop calendar application to prompt an immediate update. Within the desktop application settings, try clearing the cache or temporary files. This can often resolve data conflicts, slowing down the sync. Now, let's look at solutions tailored for your mobile calendar app to improve synchronization speed. Check your mobile device settings to ensure that the calendar app is allowed to refresh in the background, even when you're not actively using it. A simple trick is to disable and then re-enable the calendar sync option within your mobile device's account settings. If all else fails for mobile, consider deleting and reinstalling the calendar application. This often resolves deeply rooted software glitches. For persistent issues, we'll now cover account-level solutions that affect both desktop and mobile sync. Try logging out of your calendar account on both your desktop and mobile devices, and then log back in. This often forces a complete re-authentication and sync. It's also worth checking with your calendar service provider for any account limits or status issues that could be preventing fast synchronization. Let's quickly wrap up the most effective steps to ensure your calendar stays perfectly in sync. Remember to prioritize checking your internet connection, keeping apps updated, and utilizing the logout/login method for reliable synchronization. If you have any further questions or specific issues related to your calendar service, feel free to ask in the comments below.